Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about advanced manufacturing process, and that topic name is laser beam welding, that is LBW. Now I will draw a diagram of laser beam welding for you. First I will draw the diagram, then I will discuss the components for the diagram. Okay. Now this is a capacitor, this is a power supply, then this is a 100% mirror, this is a flash lamp. Okay, then this is a partially reflecting mirror, this is a lens, this is a workpiece to welding, and this is a welding area. This is a welding area as shown in the figure. Figure indicates that's laser beam welding. Now see here, I will explain component one by one. This is a capacitor, it is a power supply given to the flash lamp. Okay, it is 100% mirror. There are the two mirror to focus to the lens, and partial reflecting mirror here. Here is the lens, here is a workpiece, there is a welding area. Okay, now see here, I will start working. When the power supply is given to the flash lamp, okay, then due to the power supply given to flash lamp, there are atoms and electrons. Okay, atoms and electrons are produced in this place, and they coincide with each other and create a photon. Photon means what? It is a laser type. Okay, and this welding we can say it is a fusion type welding. Now see here, when the atoms and electrons are coincide with each other, there are the two mirror which focuses these two lens in terms of photon. By coincide this we get a photon laser and comes on this lens. These are the straight lasers which acts on the lens. Due to this lens, they are focused on one point that to be welded. This workshop or this workpiece has two part, and in between we have to weld this by means of photon and focus by the lens, and this required shape will get by giving the supply to the flash plate. By flash plate creating the atoms and electrons which they get coincide with each other, produce a photon. It likes as a laser. This laser comes to the in straight line to the lens, and lens this convert these photons in at a single point where we have to get welded, and this part get welded as shown in the figure. This is how the laser beam welding is carried out. This welding we can say it is a type of fusion. I will write some point. What is laser? Laser means what? Light amplification. Full form of laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now this type of welding is known as fusion joining process. Means what? Fusion means what? Electric energy is converted into light energy, and light energy is converted into the heat energy. Due to producing of a heat, the material is welded. Okay, understood? Now last point, no contact of joining process with no pressure applied. Now we'll take some advantages for the same. Okay, advantages and disadvantages. First I will write advantages. There is no electrodes are required. Okay, there is no electrodes in that. Can be weld small area also. Small area can also welded in this laser beam welding process. Okay, dissimilar metal can also be welded. Okay, now we'll discuss about disadvantages for the same. Now first point for disadvantages is joints must be accurately positions. And last point, maximum thickness. Okay, the maximum thickness of welded joint is limited, that is 90 mm. Okay, understood? This welding, laser beam welding, that is LBM. Thank you for watching this video.